part 58 of Laravel 9 series, in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we are going to work on banners once again, and this time we are going to add the dynamic fix banners. Okay, so I'm going to show you these slider banners we have done so far. Okay, these are coming from the admin panel, and now if we will move down, you can see there are other banners. These are the fixed banners. These will come from the admin panel, but it's not the slider, it's the fix. Okay, it's the constant, remains constant at one place. Okay, so these banners we can also manage from the admin panel. You can post here offer banners or sponsor banners, advertisement banners, any kind of banners you can post here. One is here and one you can see here, and you can add any number of these banners. Suppose if you will get the advertisement, number of advertisement, number of sponsors, and you want to add these banners at the home page, then you can manage the multiple banners. Only thing you need to add from the admin panel. Okay, so we are going to add its option in the admin panel. I am going to tell you that how you can add these banners from the admin panel and what changes we are required to do in banners management, so that we can club these banners as well. Okay, so see here, right now we are just adding here the slider banners. First of all, we are going to replace it with the banners only, or home page banners, because now this form is going to manage both the slider as well as the fixed banners. So we are going to add the type here. We are going to add one select box here. In select box we are going to add fix as well as slider. Okay, so the admin can select either fix or slider, depends upon the type. Okay, so straight away I'm going to update the sidebar so that no confusion will happen. Okay, I will search here the banner. So here I am going to mark it as instead of slider, I am going to mark it as home page banners. That will okay, so both slider as well as fix will come inside the home page banners. Now it is fine. Okay, so same, we are going to open the banners .blade.php file, and here we can also mention home page banners, and here we can mention add fix or slider banner, or simply add home page banner. Okay, okay, so there is no change because we are not add the banners. Now it is fine, home page banners. And okay, so this one we can keep it add banner, otherwise its layout gets destroyed. Add banner. Okay, home page banners, add banner, so it's fine. Okay, so from here if we are going to add, now we are going to update add edit banner, add edit banner. So yeah, so here first of all we will call it as home page banners, as it's actually the home page banners only. This form is for the home page banners. And now we are going to add one drop down here, one select box here. But before that we are going to do one more thing, that is to update the banners table, so that we can add one more column here, and that column is type. We will add the type column after the image column, and that we can do with the help of migration. Okay, so straight away we can do that. Okay, so let's do that. One more, I'm going to open here new terminal folder. Here I'm going to give the command php artisan make migration update banners table. Okay, update banners table. So I'm going to open update banners table. Here it is. So we are going to add here banners function, in which we can add one more column after image. Okay, we are going to add the column after image. So first of all we are going to start the schema table. Which table? banners table. Okay, so here we write banners, and here we are going to start the function in which we will pass the dollar table that we are going to use here inside this one, dollar table and object string, because we are going to add here the type column whose data type is varchar, and that we are going to add after image. Okay, so this is the update migration command, update migration for you. And now we are going to run the php artisan migrate. But before that, suppose if in case you want to run the rollback command, so this command will help you to run that. So we are going to add once again, copy this one and we'll paste it here, and here schema table banners function table here I'm going to add here drop column. Okay, so in case the rollback command we run, then it will drop the type column, okay, to restore the earlier changes. So if something happen wrong, then we can use this one. So that's why in advance we will store our code. Okay, so now we can run the php artisan migrate command so that we can check php artisan migrate, and let's see the table, the commands run successfully, and now we can check our table has been updated with the type column. Okay, so now we can add here banner type as well, though we can also use the enum for the banner type, as we have only two options, fix and slider, and you can use the enum, but varchar is also fine, there is no issue. So now we are going to add its select box here. We can add at the beginning. I am going to copy any of the field, okay, and we'll paste here, and here I'm going to add the banner type. Okay, so now I'm going to make the changes here. I can remove this one and we'll add the select option here, options here as well. Two options I'm going to give like this. Okay, so here first option is select, and next option is we can give here the slider, and here we can give fix. Okay, so now see, we will add here the condition as well. Suppose if the data that is coming in edit form is not empty and it is coming, banner type is coming here, and banner type is coming as the slider, type is coming as the slider, then see, we are going to select it, and if okay, so here I'm going to do like this. Okay, here slider and here fix. Now it seems to be fine. Also we are going to give here class form control. Where is the form control class? Here it is. And after that we are going to give here the id and name as type, name also type. Okay, so and we will make it required. Now the field has been added. You can see the field has been added. Banner type, there are two types, slider as well as fix. Okay, so now we are going to modify the BannersController as well, so that we can update in add edit banner this thing. Okay, so here we will also add type this time. Okay, so type is the mandatory field that one needs to add every time. So now we are going to refresh here and we'll see here type. Okay, so now we are going to modify the type. First of all, like these are the types for the slider, so I'm going to modify it with the slider. Okay, submit. Okay, so now see, slider is updated. Okay, so that's fine. So one more thing, there is also fine, it is. So I'm going to open, and now see, for the new banner that we are going to add, and we need to make, see here, the size of slider banner is big enough, but the size of this fixed banner is very small. So we need to fix its size, and for that we will add the separate size for the fixed banner. Okay, so we need to add the condition and to add the separate size for the fixed banner. So we can do here one thing. We are going to check here the type, and according to that type we are going to fix its the width and size. We can simply do one thing here, like here we can simply add the condition if $data type is equal to slider, then there is one size, else there is, see, we are having two options right now, but later on if we will add more option, then this condition we are going to update. Okay, so here we can make it dynamic, like $width is 1920 for slider, and height is 720. Same I'm going to copy for the fix, and then we'll make the changes. And here see, 1920 width is fine, but height we can make it less, like 450. Okay, so you can fix this size as per your own requirement, but make sure that layout will not get destroyed. So here we can simply use $width and height, $width and $height. Okay, so this one we can use. And now we are ready to update the, first of all we are going to update, but before that what we are going to do, we are going to take the screenshot of this banner so that we can add this particular same banner. Okay, learn to make this website, youtube.com/tech developers, subscribe now. This is the banner that we want to modify. Okay, so here see, I'm going to choose this banner in desktop. Okay, and this time I'm going to select here fix. This I'm doing for the updating. Okay, so banner has been updated, you can see it here as well, and here I'm going to refresh it, and you can see the banner is not right now, it is static, but here you can see the we able to update the banner dynamically. In admin panel we can able to update the banner, and here also we can able to see the fix. But now see, we need to make sure to show this type here as well. Okay, home page banner type here as well at the home page, that we need to show as well. After image we can add one more for the type. Okay, so here as well we are going to add now check, see here. Okay, type, this one also slider, we can make it slider as well. Fine, and now see, these are two slider and this is the fixed banner. And now I'm going to add one more fixed banner, add banner. Here I'm going to select the fixed banner, choose same banner I'm going to add. Okay, any link. Okay, we can add test link, test title, test. Okay, like this, submit, and see, again this banner has been added. Now we are going to make these two banners dynamically at the home page, and for that we are going to update the index controller. First of all, we are going to modify the earlier banner because now these are not the only banners, these are slider banners or fixed banners. There are two types of banner now. So according to that, this is the slider banners, and we are going to add the type condition here as well along with the where status, and we need to add the type as well. Here type is slider. Okay, and one more we are going to add, and that is for the fixed banners. Okay, where type is fix, like this. Whereas everything will remain the same. Now we are going to pass the slider banner as well as the fixed banners. Okay, slider banner as well as the fixed banners. And now see, we are going to check here index blade file. We are going to modify here. See, this one will not work, it will show the error. If you can see, because now banners have been converted to the slider banners and the fixed banner. Okay, first one is the slider banner, we can use it like this and refresh. See, slider banners are coming fine. Okay, now for the fixed banners is also coming in array, that is the $fix banners, and for that we can use here the condition, and that is, first of all, we are going to use the is set. Like if the fixed banner is coming exactly okay, sorry, $if is set, if the fixed banner is coming, only then we are going to execute this code. And what we are going to add here, fixed banner, if it's 0th element and it's 0th element in 0th element image, then it will work. Okay, see, if you have any issue, we can check the fixed banners here once, that what is coming in the fixed banner exactly. Okay, correct layout. There are two fixed banners that we have added that we can display here. Refresh and you can see the array of the fixed banners. Okay, so if its 0th element is coming exactly, okay, if first one is coming, then we are going to show this one. If the next one is coming, then we will going to show this one. Okay, so now we can remove this one. So same thing we have done here. See, it's 0th element. If its image is coming, then we are going to execute this code, and in that this one, these things we need to make it dynamic. Okay, so first one is the URL, and in the URL we will copy this one here, and its URL we are going to add the URL link here, link, not the URL, link. Okay, so so the same way we are going to update the path for the images as well, and here we are going to add, remove this one, and we'll add the image, it's already here. Okay, copy this one and we'll paste here like this. Fine, and in the same way we are going to update the alt as well as the title. So once again I am going to copy this one, alt, title. Okay, so all is done. Okay, now we are going to check here, refresh here, and see here. Okay, maybe issue with its path, front images here banner images must come, banner underscore images. Okay, now the path is correct, and see, finally the banner is coming up, and this banner is coming up now from the admin panel dynamically. Okay, so you can see uh, it's going to the man. Yeah, it seems to be going to the man, but we need to make sure that we have given here what path. Oh yeah, man is here. Okay, for the next banner we have given the test. Okay, so for the next banner that is displaying in the home page, and now it is very easy. Now we can simply copy this code, this condition, if condition, copy, and wherever we have given that another banner, we can just simply paste as the second fixed banner. Okay, nothing else you need to do. See, here it is. Okay, banner layer, stack developers front. Okay, so this is the banner. I am going to replace it with the this banner, and this time we are going to replace this with 1. Okay, if there are more banners, just we need to copy and increase its number. Okay, it's the second banner now, and now see, this one also dynamic, and this one is also dynamic, and it is going to the slash test. You can see the title and alt is also test. Okay, so if you click on this one, it is going to the slash test, because we have given slash test for this one link as well as the alt. Okay, title also. So we able to manage the fix as well as slider banners from the admin panel. You can add the banners of your choice, either slider, either fix. Okay, and also you can increase the number of banners as per your own requirement. Okay, so that's all for now. In the next video we are going to start working on these top collection, new revels, best sellers, discounted products, featured products. Every product we are going to manage from the admin panel. We are going to show these products from the admin panel. Okay, whatever the admin will add, we are going to sort it out and we'll show it here. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice day. Goodbye.